Banking towards Vision 2030. The recent unaudited report by the Bank of Jamaica showed that the 8 commercial banks in Jamaica have a combined total of $1.9 trillion in assets. With the anticipated rise in inflation, the paltry offering salary increase for the public sector workers, and hefty COVID-19 health bill, I don't know if this is good or bad news for the country, but let us do some further auditing. With all the reports of financial stability by the banks, let me ask a pertinent question. Are we getting our money's worth from our financial institutions? I acknowledge the lowering of interest rates on loans, but let's look at quality customer service. Let's look at quality customer service. I have had the privilege of auditing the services of some of the biggest banks in the United States, and I have come to discover that Jamaica is way beyond the mark, especially with regards to Vision 2030. I dare not compare US banks with Jamaican banks, but I am of the opinion that in order to rank ourselves among the best, we need to do some serious benchmarking. Let's take maintenance charge as an example. The fees charged to maintain bank accounts in the US range from $12 to $19, depending on the type of accounts you have. However, in order to qualify for a waiver, you have to either pay bills in excess of $250 per month or keep a minimum balance of at least $1,500 in your bank account. While these financial institutions find ways to stay viable and make profits, they invest in technology, customer service, and e-commerce because they understand that customer shopping habits change significantly over short periods, especially since COVID-19. Therefore, customers might be willing to pay the $18 a month US or 3,000 Jamaican if they can sit in their beds and deposit checks using their cell phones and have access to their money immediately. In addition, they can manage their affairs using cutting-edge technology instead of joining long lines. Not to mention the incomparable fraud protection program in the event that you fall victim to financial irregularities and you are being inconvenienced. The bank then stand in front of you, refund your money within 15 minutes, investigate and restore your dignity within guaranteed 30-day standard. Now that is service. My point? Contending with bank fees and charges is not really the issue here in Jamaica. The concerns are: 1. Providing excellent customer service experience. 2. Enjoying ease and access of 21st century banking. 3. Eliminating vulnerable and unreliable electronic banking system. And 4. Establishing e-commerce and technology that doesn't stagnate the growth of your business in this digital marketing era. With COVID-19 now at our heels, electronic transactions are more in demand, and as the government provides incentive for small businesses to access grants to build e-commerce platforms, this creates a further demand on our banks. So, I believe they cannot continue at the pace they have been moving. They just can't continue. When we hear that banks are celebrating billions of dollars in profits every year, it is hard to understand the level of service we are experiencing in these challenging periods. Since we are so influenced by the United States in so many things, I hope we can use their banking model to reshape our standards to fit the target for Vision 2030, because I strongly believe that we can achieve it. I am Ossie, and that's what's on my mind as me chat my mind.